Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and welcome to the interior of Alaska. I'm going to be camping in the snow without a tent for the next 3 days. I'll be building survival shelters, sleeping under animal hides, making bushcraft projects next to the fire, and cooking amazing food. Well, we've had a really weird winter here in Alaska, and it's been cold, then hot, then cold again. But the good news is the snow's not too deep and the swamps are all frozen, so I can really get out and explore places I otherwise couldn't access.